Hi, I'm Mike, owner of the In-Groove in Phoenix, Arizona. Today I'm doing some unboxings for Record Store Day 2020. This is for drop number 2, the September 26th drop. The Allman Brothers Band, Fillmore West, January 31st, 1971. This is the complete show. Released from the blurb for the very first time on vinyl. I know this is going to be extremely popular. All the Allman Brothers releases are. All right. Not much of a poster, it looks like. It's about the same size as the vinyl. Fillmore West, 1971. All right. Nice polyline inner sleeve. Vinyl, unfortunately, on this one is dished. Not perfectly flat. I mean, it's going to play no problem, but it's not a flat record by any stretch. The vinyl looks perfect. It'll play fine. But, yeah, unfortunately, a little bit dished. Same thing here. A little bit dished. Kind of see that there. All right, let's check out the poster / record flat. All right, it glows in the dark. Oh, the poster's number. This is poster number 2,637 out of 6,000. There it goes, guys. It's super psychedelic, as you could see. I mean, that's just hang that up in your room, guys, and it's... Oh man, you can relive your old hippie days, listen to your Allman Brothers with the glowing mushroom with the limited gold foiling stamp right there. I'm Mike. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. All this will be available on the website starting at 1 o'clock Eastern Time. Until next time.